Hey everyone, now I know we all love a good game day, whether it's football, NASCAR, or 18 holes with your buddies. But today, I'm going to show you a listing that's a grand slam and a hole-in-one. Welcome to White, South Dakota, where small town charm meets big time living. White may be small in size, but it plays like a championship team. You've got everything you need right here. Lefty sports bar, parks, a great school system, and yes, that beautiful 6 Mile Creek golf course running right through it all. You can literally step out of your house and onto the fairway. And if you're the cart type, don't worry. We've got a special spot in the garage just for your golf cart. This is the kind of place where Friday night lights still matter. Neighbors wave from porches, and the whole town shows up for the local pancake feed. It's classic hometown living, and the pace of life here, let's just say it's less 2-minute drill and more fourth quarter with the lead. Now, let's talk about the MVP, this beautiful ranch style home. Inside you've got 4 bedrooms, three bathrooms, and an office, plus over 1,600 square feet on the main level. There's a wide open kitchen with a large island, pantry, and all the appliances are ready in the lineup. Laundry, main floor. Garage, oversized with an extra door for, you guessed it, your golf cart. The sellers just added 2 more bedrooms and a bathroom in the lower level. So whether you're hosting guests, setting up a gym, or creating a fan cave for Sunday football, you've got options. White isn't just a place to live, it's a community to belong to. And this home, it's ready for its next MVP. So whether you're looking to level up your lifestyle, downshift to a quieter pace, or just want your backyard to be a fairway, let's get you home. And maybe sneak in a tea time while you're at it. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Bye for now.